I'm Emily Rodrigues. I'll be the chair this year. I'm a fourth-year PhD candidate in Dr. Matt McCulley's lab at the University of Alberta. My current research involves how sialic acid expression changes on different cells during the progress of diseases such as cancer and influenza. When I'm not in the lab, I like to curl, and I've most recently got into baking, which is really fun. Something I'm the most proud of is helping start up Matt's lab at the University of Alberta and kind of see how it's grown over the past couple of years.
My name's Marie. I am a second-year master's student in the Kappa Coddy lab at Queen's University. My current research project is studying the interactions between various glycobinding proteins and complex type N glycans on cell surfaces. When I'm not in the lab, I really like exercising outdoors, indoors. I've been doing CrossFit recently. And something that I think I talk nonstop about people with is probably my animals.
I'm Nakita. I'm a technician in the Eric Brown lab at the Institute for Infectious Disease Research at McMaster University. Generally, I work on projects that are aligned with the main theme in our lab, which is antibiotic drug discovery. But recently I have been working on a couple of different COVID-19 projects. So we're mainly doing testing and analysis of COVID-19 viral infection in saliva samples. When I'm not in the lab, I spend time with my family. I have a wonderful 2-year-old. I think she's wonderfully challenging, I'd say. And I also like to still work with my hands. I do a lot of sewing. I sew my own garments, and that's been really fun during the quarantine.
Hi, I'm Reilly. I'm a master's student in Dr. Bastien Castagne's lab at McGill University. My project focuses on identifying prebiotics, which could be either glycans or polyphenols, as adjuvants for cancer immunotherapy. I'm really big into cycling, and that's really something I could talk about all day long.
I am Revathi, and I am a master's student here at the University of Alberta at Dr. Atmirderda's lab. My research involves identifying serological markers in the case of infectious diseases, and I am particularly looking at anti-glycan antibodies. When I'm not in the lab, I also like cooking. And I'm also passionate about science communication, so I like to read about articles that are written by scientists for a general audience.
Hi, I'm Jolene Garber. I'm a new postdoctoral fellow in the Zandberg Lab at the University of British Columbia at the Okanagan campus. I also work with Wade Abbott at Agriculture and Agri-Food Canada in Lethbridge, Alberta, and I'm hoping that I will be completing some of my training in his lab as well once the COVID-19 restrictions are eased and I'm able to go there. My current project with these investigators involves developing new strategies for the mitigation of necrotic enteritis in poultry through characterization and development of inhibitors for Clostridium perfringens sialidases. When I'm not in lab, I like spending a lot of time outdoors enjoying nature, or else if the weather's not so nice, I like to stay inside and read or create art.
Hi, my name is Omozojie Paul. I'm currently a fourth-year student in chemistry at the University of Saskatchewan, and I work in the group of Dr. Chris Phoenix and Dr. Ed S. Crow. When I'm not in the lab, I spend some time cooking, reading blogs, and I also love to watch basketball. My current project is the synthesis and evaluation of novel bifunctional compounds that can prevent alpha-synuclein aggregation in Parkinson's disease. One thing I'm most proud of is I was involved on a committee that organized the last year's Leaders Overcoming Gender Inequality in Chemistry Research in Quebec City.